Hey, it's Gina with WTI. Are you a huge tea drinker like I am? Then you know that it is imperative to have a consistent kettle that you can rely on. One of the features of this kettle from INTASTING that I really like is that it has the ability to do different temperatures for different types of tea. And I love that this has settings for white, green, black, and if you're warming up formula, it even has a temperature for that. Another feature I use all the time is the keep warm feature. So this actually has a tea filter that you can place inside the kettle and you can brew an entire pot of tea if you want. Now, I'm not going to drink an entire liter of tea all at one time, so I can keep it on the warm setting and it will continue to warm it up to temp over 2 hours, and I think that is amazing. I think the colors on the one that I got are stunning. It's like an off-white with like a coppery rose tone almost, and then there are other colors that you can get too, so it can match your kitchen's aesthetic. I think this is a really nice, simple to use and awesome kettle, and that's my point of view.